guys, Marliese from Simply Fit Mom here, where I help you take the stress out of meal times and get food on the table for you and your family fast using meal prep. And today, guys, let's chat all about 5-minute breakfast ideas. As a busy mom in the morning, it is tough enough to get breakfast on the table while you're trying to get kids' lunches into backpacks, get everybody organized and out the door on time, fully clothed and ready to face the day. So today, guys, I'm going to be sharing with you 2 of my favorite kid-friendly 5-minute breakfast recipes that you can get on the table in literally 5 minutes from start to finish to help support you on those crazy busy weekday mornings. Alright guys, the 2 recipes we're going to be making today are banana bread overnight oats and apple cinnamon toast with almond butter. So let's start with our banana bread overnight oats. Alright guys, for our banana bread overnight oats recipe, the ingredients and equipment that you will need is a 2-cup wide mouth mason jar or another another meal prep container with a tight fitting lid that has about a 2-cup capacity, 1/2 cup of plant-based milk, 1/4 cup of plant-based yogurt, and 1 tablespoon of maple syrup, 1/2 cup of oats. These are certified gluten-free, but you can use regular oats if you are not gluten-free as well, 1 tablespoon of vanilla, 1/2 a banana sliced, and 1 tablespoon of chia seeds. And optionally, you can also add 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon and 1/2 tablespoon of flax seeds for some extra fiber. Alright guys, to throw this recipe together, you don't even have to cook anything. It's one of my favorite things. You just throw it together the night before and it'll be delicious in the morning. So you want to put in your 1/2 cup of oats. I like to put those in first. Then you want to put in your other dry ingredients, so your chia seeds, your flax seeds, and your cinnamon. And I like to give this a really good mix around before I put in the rest of the wet ingredients, just to ensure that the cinnamon and the chia seeds and the flax seeds don't all clump together in like one little section. Then we're going to put in our maple syrup and our vanilla yogurt. You can use any sort of plant-based yogurt here, guys. I just like the vanilla, especially for banana bread. It just reminds me of more of like banana bread. Yeah. Alright, then we're going to put in our vanilla and our plant-based milk. Now, we have all our ingredients in there except for the bananas. At this point, you can add your bananas in if you want to, but I like to put mine on top and keep them whole. Then we're gonna take our banana slices, and I like to just stack them right on top, and you can see how it's pretty liquidy, and that's totally normal. They'll sink a little bit. Then guys, to store them in the fridge overnight, you just want to grab your lid and make sure it's on super tight. And you want to store this in the fridge for about 8 hours, or overnight is ideal. And it's going to allow the oats and the chia seeds and the flax seeds to absorb all of that liquid. And in the morning, all you need to do is take off the cover and you'll have a beautiful breakfast of banana bread overnight oats. For breakfast idea number 2, the apple cinnamon toast with almond butter, you just want to grab a piece of bread and get it nice and toasted. And then you're going to also need some almond butter, a little bit of ground cinnamon to your taste, and 1/4 to 1/2 of sliced apple. This is quite a small piece of gluten-free bread, so I probably won't need all of this apple, but if you have a bigger piece of bread, like a nice big piece of sourdough, then you're gonna wanna have lots of apples. So to make this, it's super easy. All you're gonna do is put some almond butter down first. Make sure you get like a nice thick coating of almond butter, because this is gonna be your primary source of protein for your breakfast. Of course, I got almond butter all over the plate, guys, but this is real life meal prep, and we're not about being fancy here. We're about real life. Then you're gonna take the apples, and I love doing this for kids because not only can they help, but they can put really cool designs with the apples, and it just makes the experience really fun for them as well. So we're gonna put our apple slices on here. And then finally, we're just gonna grab a little bit of cinnamon and sprinkle this on top. And there you have it, guys, your apple cinnamon almond butter toast. And it is super, super yummy, super flavorful, and great for those fall back to school breakfasts where you just want those cozy fall flavors. All right, mamas, there you have it. 2 quick and easy 5-minute breakfast recipes to help you get breakfast on the table super fast on those crazy busy weekday mornings. And guys, if you want instant access to the recipes in this video, be sure to click the link below and it will take you directly to the PDF copies of these recipes so you can also get breakfast on the table in 5 minutes or less at your home as well. Alright guys, that's it for me today. Marliese from Simply Fit Moms signing off, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys!